We're here, no? In Ljubljana, the capital city of Slovenia. So, this is the first time that I'm using yung video ng S24. Ang ganda, no? Ang ganda, wow. The buildings are really impressive here. There's an architect who is becoming a Darna daw dito. Ang ganda na. Oh, ganda may. The picture is ikot ka lang. Ikot. Oh, wow, grabe. Wow. Ganda ng buildings, no? This post office na is 24/7. Okay. They have the very organized public transport also here. Ganda. Then bicycles, they're frequently being used. It's a very walkable city. There's a VIP here. So again, this is the first time that I've used yung S24. Ang ganda ng video niya, ha? Ang ganda ng kuha yung video here. Wow, super. So they have their bicycles here. I think for rental siguro to. It's going 6 o'clock na, no? Tapos malakas pa yung araw. Ito yung mga bicycles nila. Not for rent siguro to, no? Ilagay lang dito. I think this one is for rent, no? Yung bicycle dito. May rentals dito. 7.07 euro cents, no, yung rentals per minute. This is yung bus na, long bus, oh. Haba ng bus, oh. Ganda.
Hello vlog.
Hello, alam mo, Mike, tingnan mo yung video niya, Mike, oh. Ganda, di ba?
Oo, ganda. Sabi ko yung lecture ni Maya
First.
sa transport.
First time kasi ginamit to, eh. Binigay ng Smart na libre na retention. Yung bago nila,
24.
Tingnan mo ko, oh. Grabe.
Ganda, di ba? Ganda na camera. December magma-mature na ito.
Palitan mo na.
Change ko ulit.
Okay.